All right, the video everybody's been waiting for, Darkside 2.0s. The 2.0s have the plastic top on them. The OG versions have a cardboard top. These are a 5-inch shell. These ones are late 2022, early 23 versions. They came from a fresh case, so I guess we'll tear into them now. So first we'll get the outer part off, get the fuse. Fuses are usually about 1.5 grams. 1.5. The average weight of these shells, I forgot to talk about that, is 158.11 grams. I had a couple that are about 163, 162. This one's gonna be 161, so it's up there. The other ones are kind of light, 154, 155. So I picked one in the middle, just so we can have kind of a representation of what the average is. There is some space, about 1.25 inches of free space in there. Get this cardboard disc out of there at the top, so we can get down to that clay. But before we do that, let's get the lift. Haven't done one of these videos in a while, so a little rusty, but been really busy. So get that tired out, see what we got for the lift. 9.9 on the lift. Get this clay plug taken care of. I like to mush them up with a pair of pliers so I'm not digging around with anything. Everybody says the Darksides are the reigning champions, but guess we'll see. I know it's not always up to comp weight. It could be the composition and all that, but we'll just see what they weigh. Go from there. All right, that's just a big piece of clay with some comp on it. Put this in there. Let's see what it weighs. .6 grams. Rambo's had over that. They had over 60. Anarchies, Con Killers, they had over 55 into the 60s, I'm pretty sure. I can't remember. That was a while ago. But we'll get this weight up off screen. And our total is 58 grams. Total composition on these. So, are they the biggest and baddest? Technically no, but I mean the flash composition could be a little bit better. Cans could be constructed a little bit better, but I highly doubt that. All seem about the same. So there you go, 58 grams. Nothing to shy from, but 46.6 on that burst is a little light compared to everything else. So they're up there. They're good. So we'll do a demo at the end.